How to fix Instagram late notification problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram late notification problem on Android phone. First, then just open settings and then scroll down, scroll until you find the apps and click apps again, and here you will find the Instagram. And then just click storage and then clear cache and go to permissions, and maybe we'll find this one like that. Just click on it and enable it, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go back to here and click clear data and click OK, and then just restart your phone, and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.